Welcome back to Natural Remedy Garden. Today, we're going to share a natural skincare routine that can help keep your skin glowing and healthy without using harsh chemicals. And cleansing with honey. Start your routine with a gentle cleanser. Raw honey is an excellent natural cleanser with antibacterial properties that also moisturizes the skin. Take about a teaspoon of raw honey, massage it onto a damp face, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. 2. Exfoliating with oatmeal and yogurt. Exfoliation helps to remove dead skin cells. Use a simple mix of ground oatmeal and plain yogurt. Oatmeal is a gentle exfoliant, and yogurt contains lactic acid which brightens the skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of ground oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of yogurt, apply it to the face, and gently massage in circular motions before rinsing off. 3. Toning with rose water. Next, tone your skin with rose water. Rose water helps balance the skin's pH and tightens pores. Simply spray it onto the face or apply it with a cotton pad. It's refreshing and has a lovely fragrance. Or moisturizing with Aloe Vera Gel. Aloe Vera Gel is a perfect lightweight moisturizer. It's soothing and hydrates the skin without making it oily. Take a small amount and gently massage it into the skin. Aloe vera also has healing properties that can help with redness or irritation. 5. Nourishing with jojoba oil. For extra nourishment, especially at night, use a few drops of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very similar to the skin's natural oils, making it ideal for all skin types. Warm a few drops between the palms and press it into the skin, focusing on any dry areas. 6. Weekly mask with turmeric and honey. Once a week, treat your skin to a turmeric and honey mask. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory properties and helps to brighten the skin, while honey keeps it hydrated. Mix half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of honey, apply it to the face, and leave it on for about 15 minutes before rinsing off. And that's it. This natural skincare routine can work wonders for your skin. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so feel free to adjust the routine to suit your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more natural beauty tips. Leave a comment below with your favorite natural skincare ingredient. Thanks for watching and see you next time.